Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. If you are using ChatGPT for months and want to switch to Gemini, you don't have to leave your conversation history behind you. Google now lets you import your chats from other AI apps, including ChatGPT and Claude. Your imported conversations will appear in the Gemini side panel, marked with an basically import icon. You can search them, delete them, and even update them if you re-upload the same file later. But the best part is, it's completely free and only takes a few minutes. So in this guide, I will show you exactly how to export your ChatGPT data and import it into Gemini. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First and first, export your data from ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT in your browser, click on your username in the bottom left corner, then click Settings and then Data Controls. Next to Export Data, click Export and then confirm the export. ChatGPT will prepare your data and email you a download link. This usually takes a few minutes to an hour. Then you can go and download your exported files, check the email addresses associated with your ChatGPT account. You will receive a link to download a zip file containing all your conversation history. Save this file to your computer, then open the Gemini import page. In Gemini or gemini.google.com, if you don't see prompt, tap the settings and help gear icon and look for the import memory to Gemini. Anyway, let me check. Upgrade the Google AI Plus, usage limit, Gemini apps activity, import memory to Gemini. As you see, this is new. And that's your idea. Thank you all for watching this. See you in the next video.